The first is how to say the sentence, sitting next to her was a difficulty, in a better way. The only fly in the ointment was sitting next to her. The only spanner in the work was sitting next to her. Sitting next to her threw a monkey wrench into my plan. Other synonyms in place of difficulties are impediment, stumbling blocks, predicament, hindrances. The second sentence is, he made lot of efforts to win. In a better way, you could say this as, he strained every nerve to win. He made arduous efforts, grueling efforts to win, onerous efforts, innovating efforts. He undertook uphill struggles to win. The third is, the basic sentence is, he quit immediately, leaving the boss in a very helpless situation. Same sentence in a little more better way is, he quit immediately, leaving the boss in the lurch. Or, the boss was left high and dry after he immediately quit. The boss was left stranded after he immediately quit.